How to add size chart in Shopify. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage their own online stores with ease. And it provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates, making it accessible to users with little to no technical background. So now to create an account, just click the login button or the start free trial, and after signing in, you will automatically be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And now to proceed, we can start by simply adding on the left side panel the pages, and to do that, just click this online stores under sales channels and click the pages option to proceed. Upon doing so, to create a new page, just click add page on the top right. And from here, you can simply enter the title of this page, for example, shoe size chart. And after that, you can simply enter the content manually, such as by inserting here a table by clicking these three dots right here and insert the table that you prefer. Or you can use this generated AI text. So just simply enter here the command so that the AI will be able to create the shoe size chart that you prefer. So I'm just going to enter this kind of command, shoe size chart with Euro, US, and CM from size 39 to 45. Then click generate button to proceed. And you could also select here the kind of tone that you prefer if you're expert, daring, playful, and many more. And after that, you'll be able to see here the generated shoe size chart that has been created using AI. So you can simply scroll down right here and it will show you below the table. And now to proceed, just click the skip button in order to start saving this one. And you could also start deleting some of the contexts that are not really important, such as this one. So I'm going to select this and delete. And you could also do the same process below here, which is the paragraph below. So as you can see, we have now here this Euro size, US size, and foot length in centimeter as the shoe size chart. And you could also add here an image if you want to, such as by clicking the image icon on the top of it. By clicking this one, you can simply choose from your computer files by clicking add image button. And upon doing so, just simply choose from your computer. And upon clicking on it, just click this done button below to proceed. And it will show you that this size has now been added, which is this men's size chart. And now to save the changes, you could also click the save button on the top right corner or the save button below. And now after creating the page for shoe size chart, we can simply go to our theme section right here by clicking on it. And from here, just proceed by clicking this customize button. Then you will be directed on this page. And from here, just simply click the homepage option on the top panel, and upon clicking on it, just click the products and create a template. And after that, on this pop-up window, just simply enter here the name, for example, shoe size chart. And after that, just proceed by clicking create template button below to proceed. Or you could also click this base hunt. Then you will be directed on this page, and now to start creating or adding here the shoe size chart that we just created, we can simply go back to our products option right here on the left side panel. And upon clicking on it, just click again this one or the product, and below just simply scroll down until you find the theme template and simply choose here the shoe size chart and click the save button to proceed. So that means that this product is now been added to have the shoe size chart. So to add a template of shoe size chart, just click this on the left side panel, this template, and simply add here a kind of block that will allow us to add or insert the shoe size chart. In which from here to start adding a block under this template, just simply click any of this, which is for example this one, add block. And from here you can choose firstly, for example, this pop-up window, and upon clicking on it, it will show us in here the pop-up link text. And if you click on it, it will show you in the left side panel that we can start changing the name of this or the label of it. I'm going to enter here, for example, shoe size chart, and select the page that we just created, which is the shoe size chart. And after that, you should be able to see here that when a viewers or customer try to click this shoe size chart, it will show us the pop-up window with the chart that we just input earlier. And aside from that, you could also start customizing the position a bit by simply dragging it, for example, on the top or below here, the variant or the quantity selector. So as you can see, the changes has now been added, or the position of the size chart. Now aside from pop-up, you could also choose here by clicking this add block once again, this collapsible row. And by clicking on it, it will show you on the right side panel in here that have a checklist. By clicking on it, it will show you in the left side panel to rename the heading of it, which is I'm going to enter once again the shoe size chart. And for the icon of it, you could also choose here depending on your preferences. And you will be able to see a variety of options to choose from. And I'm going to choose the ruler option or icon. And in here, you could also select the pages once again, which is this chart. Now after that, just click the save button to save the changes. In which, as you can see in here, we have now successfully added two kind of shoe size chart with different kind of block. So just click the save button on the top right corner to save the changes. But basically this is what it looks like. And again, to save the changes, just click the save button on the top right. And in order to see what it looks like, you can simply click or see the preview of it when a customer tries to browse or purchase some of our products in our online store. By clicking or visiting this online store, you should be able to see what it looks like. And if you try to click on these shoes, it will show us the shoe size chart. When you click on it, on this pop-up window, it will show you the shoe size chart. And aside from that, you could also see here below the shoe size chart collapsible, in which this will serve as a guide for the customer who will try to purchase this kind of shoes. But overall, that is just basically how to add size chart in Shopify.